Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Forms. So I got this box in the mail today. MisterMotion sent this out from Florida. Very nice of them. So figured we'd do kind of an unboxing video. This guy was in there. I got some stuff covered up just for privacy. But anyways, yeah, let's take a look. And then I'll read you that note. Yeah, so MisterMotion sent HP laptop. A big boy. This is awesome. Because I do not have a dedicated streaming computer yet. So all my free time has been towards the stream recently, and this will be nice to, yeah, so check this puppy out. That is awesome. Thank you so much, MisterMotion. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's awesome. So yeah, I figure let's read this note real quick. Hey Forms, taped to the top is a blue USB that has a fresh copy of Windows should you need to install it again. But this old ass computer now has a brand new 120 gigabyte SSD, so it won't be great for storage, but with the i7 and old ass AMD video card, it should still handle some streaming work nicely. I opened it up and shop vacked it out, so it should run pretty decently, hopefully for a long time. If you have any questions or ever need any computer help, please feel free to reach out, and I'd be happy to assist. Your new internet friend and place to crash when you get rich to come to Disney World, MisterMotion. Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much. So I figure, sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. I figure we'll give this puppy a shot and boot it up together for the first time. All right. Let's see. Oh, we got power. Look at that. That is wonderful. Thank you so much, MisterMotion.